Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is 9 Python coding boosters to level up your workflow. So in this video I'll share 9 Python coding boosters that will instantly make your workflow faster, smoother and way more professional. So these are real world techniques that experienced developers use daily. And by the end you'll be writing cleaner and quicker Python code. So let's start this. So we'll start with the first one. So the first one is use F strings. Use F strings for cleaner printing. So here I'll tell you how to use F strings. So F strings are the best way to define your output cleaner. So here F strings are modern way to format strings in Python, cleaner than format method and faster than concatenation. This is used heavily in logging, debugging and report. So let's see the output of this. So as you can see, the output is clean and nice. So that's why we use F strings. Now moving on to the second one. So the second one is use comprehension for one-line loops. So comprehension is very important. So in just one line we can use list comprehension. So this replaces multi-line loops with one clean expression. It is faster and more Pythonic. You'll see in almost every professional script, and this makes your code concise while staying readable. So we'll see the output of this. So we can see with a one-line code, a one-line comprehension, we can avoid writing many lines of loop script. Now moving on to the third one. So the third one is use enumerate for indexed loop. Okay, so here we'll use enumerate method. So firstly let's create a list. So this is a simple list we created. So this is how we use enumerate method. So it automatically provides both the index and the value. No need for manual counter. It is clean, error-free and perfect for loop that need position. So let's see what output does it gives. So as we can see, it told us, as I told you, it will give you the index and the value at the same time. So now moving on to the fourth one. So the fourth one is use zip method to combine multiple lists. So here firstly let's create a list. So this is there are two lists we created, name and scores. So here zip method pair items from multiple sequences. It avoids manual indexing and it is used often in data processing and parallel iteration. So let's see the output of this. So here we can see the cleaner output by using the zip method. And now we'll move on to the next one, to the fifth one. So it is dictionary comprehension for quick mappings. So for that we'll create a dictionary. Here we'll create a list only. So here this is similar to list comprehension but builds a dictionary, and it is compact and powerful, great for lookups or transforming data sets. So let's see the output. So here we can see we have created a list but it converted it into a dictionary. So this is how we use dictionary comprehension for quick mappings. And now we'll move on to the next one. So the sixth one is use get method to access dictionary keys. So here we have created a simple dictionary. So here get method avoids key errors, and if a key doesn't exist it returns a default value instead, and it is used in robust and production grade code bases. So let's see what output does it gives. So here we can see the output of this, as we didn't provided the age, so it gave us the output not provided. And now moving on to the seventh one. So the seventh one is unpack list or tuples easily. So for this firstly we'll create a tuple. So here multiple assignment makes unpacking simple and clean. It works for function, returns true, often used in data processing pipelines. So let's see its output. So here we can see the output of this. And now moving on to the next one. So the next one is use context manager to handle file. So here we'll use context manager to handle files. So here the with statement automatically closes the file even if an error occurs. This prevents resource leaks and improves safety. And it is used everywhere in real projects, files, database and network corrections. So let's see its output. So here we can see we have written to a file, and now to open that we have to write the same code with open, and to open we use R. So we have opened the file and now we'll see the output. So we can see the output is clear. Now moving on to the next one. So the next one is leverage argument and keyword argument for flexible function. So for this we are creating a function. So here argument collects extra positional argument and keyword argument collects named argument. So this makes your function scalable and future proof. So let's see the output. So here we can see the output, and that's it. These were 9 Python coding boosters that will instantly level up your workflow. Start using these in your projects and you will notice how much faster and smoother your Python becomes. So if you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.